Take a slow breath and let your mind settle. Tonight, allow God's word to comfort you, calm you, and surround you with peace. Let these verses flow over your heart like gentle water. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Psalm 23:1. God takes care of you. He provides for every need, and He watches over you with perfect love. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside quiet waters. Psalm 23, verse 2. When life feels heavy, God brings you into a place of rest. He calms your spirit and slows your thoughts. He restores my soul. Psalm 23:3. Every tired place inside you is being renewed. God is restoring your strength, your peace, and your hope. He guides me in paths of righteousness for His name's sake. Psalm 23:3. Even when you don't see the full picture, God is leading you step by step. You're not walking blindly, you're being guided. Even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. Psalm 23:4. No dark moment has power over you because God is by your side. His presence replaces fear with courage. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. Psalm 23:4. He protects you and keeps you steady even when your emotions feel unbalanced or overwhelmed. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Psalm 23:5. God blesses you even in the middle of challenges. What rises against you cannot stop His plans. You anoint my head with oil, my cup runs over. Psalm 23:5. Your life is overflowing with His goodness. God is giving you more peace, more favor, and more strength than you realize. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life. Psalm 23:6. You are not followed by worry. You are followed by God's goodness. His mercy is wrapped around your future. And I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Psalm 23:6. You belong to Him. You are safe with Him, and His presence is your home, today and always. When you lie down, you will not be afraid. When you lie down, your sleep will be sweet. Proverbs 3:24. God promises peaceful rest. Tonight your sleep will not be troubled. It will be calm, deep, and refreshing. Cast all your anxiety on Him because He cares for you. 1 Peter 5:7. You don't have to carry today's stress. God is taking it from your shoulders right now. He will cover you with His feathers, and under His wings you will find refuge. Psalm 91, verse 4. You are protected, you are shielded. God's presence surrounds you like a warm, comforting shelter. The Lord is near to the brokenhearted and saves those who are crushed in spirit. Psalm 34:18. If your heart is heavy, He is holding you closer. You are not alone in your pain. God is right beside you. Be still and know that I am God. Psalm 46:10. Take one soft breath and be still. In this moment, God is in control. You can rest. As you close your eyes, let these promises settle deep in your heart. God is watching over you. He is calming your mind. He is giving you rest. You are protected, you are loved, and you are safe in His hands tonight. Sleep peacefully, knowing God is with you.